Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Devansh and we are continuing with our series. In this question we are going to solve a problem which is Vanya and the lanterns. Our problem is 492b, and the question states that Vanya walks late at night along a straight street of length lit by N lanterns. Consider the coordinate system with the beginning of the street corresponding to point 0 and its end corresponding to the length L. Then ith lantern is at point AI. The lantern lights all the points of the street that are at the distance at most of d from it. So mostly the other the distance is d from it, where d is some positive number common for all. Common for all lanterns is the thing that we need to keep in our mind, I guess. One wonders what's the minimum light of radius d should the lanterns have to light the whole street. Okay. Okay. So if we think about the logic can be thought as like, okay, there are these many street lights, and then each we'll make a guess. We make a guess of d. All right. Then we check if d fits and satisfies to light the whole street, right? Okay, so we'll just see. uh, and initially we have a length. So now what we need to say is that, okay, I have to guess, right? I have to guess that how many street how many what will be the minimum at most distance that each lantern will have to light up the street. We'll make a guess. Now either d can be 0 or it will go till up to 10 to the power, let's say 9. Why? Because our answer, we know that our answer lies within this. Our answer lies within this range. You know why? Because the length, the at most length L of the street can be 10 to the power 9. And let's say we just have one street light, and that too at zeroth position. So to light the whole street, we need the d, the distance at most distance to this case, which is our boundary condition, right? This is our boundary condition. And so we'll try to guess, and we'll keep on guessing, and if D satisfies, then we will reduce the D value, else we'll increase the D value. This, and the best method to do is the binary search method, right? This is just the binary search method, because the answer can be in decimal points. Okay. So now, uh, if we take a case of this, so firstly we'll try to sort them out, or else I think we don't need to actually. Let's go with this. Int n l c n l, then just have int for int I less than n I plus plus cn I, right, and just simply sort a to a plus n. That will create a sort algorithm, like will it sort the whole thing, whole array for us. And then what, now we know how, where are the street lights, so we'll just simply assume int high to be 0 and int low to be 0 and int high to be 10 to the power 9, right? Okay, okay. So while n less than or equal to h, we can say int mid is plus h minus l by 2, just to be safe with the integer overflow. Also we'll have answer to be minus 1, right? Okay, set this get takes a n and mid, and we'll have a function int a and int mid. So now we'll enter the sorted A, right? We'll enter a sorted A. Now how to check? That's the question. Basically what we need to say is that int this it is nothing but mid, and therefore why to even do that? Int I equals 0 less than n plus plus. Both the corresponding lights will have its own d, right? So basically the d plus d, so 2d must be greater than or equal to the distance between the two corresponding street light. That's the whole thing. So key idea is 2 times d should be greater than or equals to distance between two street lights. That right? That's right. Yeah. Mid distance is plus or minus ai, and let's say that's less than this. So we'll have a mid distance. If 2 times, otherwise return true, d is less than mid distance, return false. Okay, that means the corresponding d cannot satisfy our guess. Like our guess cannot satisfy the condition, this condition, and therefore we need to increase. So the high will be mid minus 1 and answer will be mid, else low will be mid plus 1, and finally say out answer. Okay, wait. Just simply do like this. You can't do this actually. Minus 1 or let's say plus 1. Oh, two lows, right? Oh no. Okay. How this look fine? Timed out. Wait, let me check. It gets reduced and reduced and reduced and reduced. Okay. This must be double. Oh yeah. While 1 minus 2 greater than. How many places? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 places. There can be multiple landings at the same point. That doesn't make any sense. Does it? Does it? That's fine. Why is it giving us a sig term? That's a question. I'm not sure. Let's check. Or maybe I should wait a bit. Okay. I feel the logic is correct. I don't know why it is. Like I have put a tolerance also. It should be at least greater than this. Then I don't know. Should just put it there. Oh, it's okay. Oh wait, I received -1. Oh, there is no T. My bad. There is just Sol. Okay, what is this? 0.52. What is this 2 coming from? If I just remove the. If I just increase the tolerance. Okay. This is strange. What are the answer is considered correct if the absolute or relative error does not exceed 10 to the power minus. Okay, fine. So this is it, right? Uh, say output for 1.5. I don't know why because. Oh yeah. Also, while checking, check that they're covering if a 0 minus 0 basically is less than greater than 2 times d, or a n minus 1 minus मतलब like L right, L we need an L also. L minus a n minus 1 needs to be, if that's greater than 2 into d, then return false. Zero and two is being chilled. But there is no street light there. There is no street light there. It should be just checked like this. And it should be just checked like this. Yeah. Now we just need to add these zeros. I don't know how to add these zeros now. It's already double. To print answer to 10 C plus plus. I know it's a very basic doubt, so please ignore me. Set precision 10 percentage. Printf percentage. What is this 3 coming from? Should I just make it 11? Oh no, 10. Why did I write 10? I need to write 9, right? Oh, this thing. Okay, it's just 10. Okay, that's fine. I hope it gets submitted. Okay, the time limit exceeds. That's strange. Should I go with then that's a problem. Then that's fine. Okay, but yeah, editing is actually a thing. And then make it. Oh wait, what? Okay, so I tried to check it, and the AI suggested that, you know what, instead of our initial, oh wait, initial loop like this, we should actually iterate the function. I'll show you what does it mean. Instead of while loop, use the for loop, and I feel that's a great thing because the initially the while loop that we were actually using was not as realistic as it should be, right? So our whole answer, our whole idea is now just run it for 100 times. And I'll tell you why 100 times works. Because you are varying d from 0 to L, and L's max value of L is nothing but 10 to the power 9, right? 10 to the power 9. Now, the number of iterations, max iterations to actually go through every single via binary search is n log L max of L, right? Base 2, and that is approximately equal to this value that I checked, 20, well, 30. So basically even in 30 iteration we'll be able to get our answer. So that's it. I feel we'll be getting our answer, I guess. This logic, it seems. Yes. Okay, that was a good problem, especially because of the constraint, it became a good problem. The logic was quite simple, I guess, if you know binary search. It was a classic streetlight problem, inspired from it, or I don't know if it was actually the streetlight problem. Thank you for watching.